What's going on, guys? So another big rain day today. Doing a lot of maintenance on a lot of equipment. That's what I do every rain day. But I wanted to go over our newest piece of equipment we got over the summer. This is the Magnamatic 8200. This machine we've been saving for a few years for. It was well over $1,000. It does great work on these blades. I can't say enough about the company and enough about the product and how it came and just everything from start to finish. Awesome experience. So, this is our stand. Let's go over everything first. I built this, jacked it up so it's higher up and I'm not bending over all day sharpening blades. But down here we have like in the back, it's ones that need to be sharpened. In the front are sharpened ones up top. Every day we're sharpening numerous blades for the next day. So, a few things about this machine. This, I believe, is like the lower model but commercial type. They're all obviously commercial based models for companies, but this one is like on the lower end of the spectrum. Maybe it's definitely not up there as most expensive, but it's definitely, I mean, numerous blades all day every day, not a problem. We went with the grinding wheel. I'll show you that in a second, and I'll show you start to finish. But there's a few things about this which is pretty cool. So for years we've always used an angle grinder, and that is what it is. You know, you got to start out, and I mean we're doing 300 properties, you know, on our schedule. 300 properties we maintain, 300 plus properties with an angle grinder and a blade balancer, and I never had an issue or a complaint. So you got to start somewhere, guys. This is something you save for. The problem is with the angle grinder, I'm doing 3 sets of blades a day for the next day. I'm doing a 36-inch mower, I'm doing a Honda push mower, 21-inch, and our 48 Stander X's. And that doesn't include the one day of commercial. So I always sharpen blades the night before for the next day, or my father will come in the day of and do a bunch of blades for the week if he's got the time. But this is a cool piece of equipment here, I must say. Game changer, definitely. Is it a necessity? I don't think so, but the bigger your company grows, you need something like this. But Magnamatic is a great company, and I'm going to go over kind of everything shortly here. There's a lot to these machines. I'm just going to briefly go over everything. So off. On and off switches here. This knob up here, you would this turns. I don't want to mess with it. You turn this and it adjusts the height of this grinding wheel right here. That determines what angle your blades are going to be sharpened at, and I'll go over that in a second. And this catches all the sparks, dust, whatever. And we clean this off every time we use it, blow everything right outside. So what's pretty cool is the stuff they sent with this machine. So this thing right here, lawnmower blade angle and thickness gauge. So your blades, most of the people that are mowing residential and commercial, I guess, can be 30, 35, usually 30. But you know, if you're doing like brush and things like that, you can get down to 45. And I'm going to show you this really quick, which is pretty cool. So this gauge right here has the 30. And this is one of our blades I'm going to pick up right here. I'm trying to adjust this so it goes right in there. It's 35 degrees. Go down, it's nowhere near 45. It's kind of hard to tell, but you can kind of see. Obviously, the higher you go, we do it at 30 degrees. That's where we're set at, and that's awesome. This tool right here is pretty cool. That came with it. I keep that just because we keep this. We have a few of these. We keep these to the side just because you have to adjust these wheels once in a while, or adjust this wheel here, so to make sure you're still at the right angle. But that's for that. Obviously, too, when you're doing this, you want to wear glasses or some type of protection, and we do have our blade balancer here. I didn't balance. I don't think these ones are balanced, but there's a whole video on this, guys. That's a balanced blade right there. So that's pretty cool. So this thing right here is the Mag 1000. I have a video on this. I'll comment in the description. So that's what this does. Listen, guys, you can go back and forth on blade balancing. They say the spindles on these machines are so well built nowadays that it's not really a problem or not an issue. I don't know. Do I balance them? Yes, because the tool's here and it takes an extra couple minutes, if that. Have I ever had an issue with spindles due to blades? Not a chance. I always used a little Amazon blade balancer for years, and it was fine. It was $100, so I just added it to the order, you know. And pretty much you'll do side to side, side to side, and then if you do one side too much, then the blade's unbalanced. So keep track of how many times you sharpen each side, and you won't have an issue. So that right there is a balanced blade, which is pretty cool. So yes, I do it. People are gonna say in the comments they've never done it their whole lives, and that's cool, man. Like, listen, I get it. You know, I didn't do it for a few years, but like I said, that's, I guess, home preference at this point. But anyway, the Magnamatic 8200 lawnmower blade sharpener. So this catches everything, adjusts the angle like I just showed you, and then obviously there's a quick start video, which is pretty cool. I mean, guys, this thing came together like this. There's no crazy, like, weird tools, and no, like, the 20-minute YouTube video takes 2 days. This came together in one piece, plugged it in, I was sharpening blades in less than 10 minutes. So I'm going to try to do this really quick just to show you, obviously, operation and stuff. But I just wanted to say this. These blades back here I'm sharpening these in the winter when I have time. These are already sharpened by me, but if you don't have any type of professional blade sharpener, I know there's other stuff out there, it's not as expensive, but if you've been using an angle grinder or whatever for years, the first few blades that you do on this machine or any machine is going to take a lot longer, because it's getting that perfect angle is really what you're doing while sharpening the blade. So that's that, guys. Just preference, if you get any machine, this machine, any machine, blades that you've been kind of just zipping through an angle grinder for years will take a little bit longer. But we sharpen blades every day, Monday through Friday. We mow 5 days a week. Takes like maybe 5 minutes to do a set of 3. But I don't have any. I'm gonna make a long video on how I do it and all that, but I'm gonna show you guys real quick, turning everything. I'll show you real quick. So obviously, get your glasses, have that together. You want to flip up, on. So, real quick, guys, I just wanted to kind of show you turning that on and off. I'll have a whole video coming out on really using this thing, but when you're sharpening these blades, and I'm going to show you from here too, so you're not getting your fingers as close as you think with this video, and I'm going to try to get closer. I have a mount that's coming in the mail. It's going to make these videos easier, but you want to kind of pressure it on an angle, if that makes sense, by going back and forth. Well, not back and forth. You go up, come out, go up, and then you always want to stop right before those notches there, because that could, if you have like one of the sanding wheels, that could pop that, and obviously it'll mess up everything else. So you go right up to the notch there. Again, guys, I'm gonna have a whole video coming out on how we sharpen our blades, and like I said, I do 3 sets every day. I'm gonna do it from start to finish, cleaning them, all that kind of stuff. But guys, this is the Magnamatic 8200. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is an awesome machine. Has definitely saved 30 to 40 minutes off of my day each day by hand balancing each blade and using an angle grinder. You don't need one right off the bat, like I said. Save the money. Put this on the back burner. When you're really growing and sharpening numerous sets every day, you're gonna need to do this at some point. But that's what's cool about that. And this, guys, is so simple. You can change the wheel on here. You open this panel up. This comes right off. So everything's kind of like, you know, buying spare parts. Everything, like I said, the company is great to work with. But that's the Magnamatic 8200, guys. Awesome tool. Like I just said, if you're sharpening numerous blades every day and you're really mowing, like we have over 300 accounts last year and I was still using the angle grinder, you got to use the money when you can, you know, when it comes in, when you're at that point financially. But is it a necessity? Absolutely not. But it has given my time back to me, which is really important. So that's it, guys. Questions, comments below. If you have one of these lawnmower blade sharpeners, leave me some comments. Let me know what's up, like what things I need to look for, any type of maintenance you should do, things like that, which I don't think are any. But keep me updated. Let me know if there's anything I should know while using this. This is the stand I built. I didn't use their stand. I got this from Harbor Freight. But thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate everything. Please like and subscribe. We're really trying to get these videos out, and the viewing really helps us able to do that. So thanks for watching, guys.